behind, he won't see it. It'll just be automatically out of his check, but he's okay.
Our information in real time.
Verse 28 of Matthew 19, Christ...
Dissatisfied with this war and dissatisfied with Putin.
I think it's safe to say that the longer that this goes on, and especially the economic sanctions that the United States and the West have imposed upon Russia are increasing Vladimir Putin's nervousness because, it's I mean, again, as I said in that piece, it's less about the people in the street, and it's even less about the oligarchs. There's
in their site, then that's their...
Hard when you're playing each other 19 times and you can't...
Punter, then you realize how important it is to have a good...
And I think Russia is perhaps not as sophisticated.
The concussion, the lungs,
Needs redemption from the guiltless crime. Someone carries dreams from seam to seam till they tear apart your mind. Love